Since we're in the middle of summer, you guys can tell I have been traveling a lot. So I thought I would take you through my travel and toiletry bags just so you could see everything that I pack and take. One word of advice, don't have the packing mentality of that. I'm just gonna start using a product. Trust me, it never works. Okay, so I'm gonna just show you. So these are pretty much like the essentials. Yes, I have my little R&M bag. This is a little kit I'm gonna go through and show you. These are more like vitamins, other necessities in different ways. And then I have a little kit that my stylist packs for me. Again, I use it, I reuse it, it goes back in a drawer, it comes out. And this is for styling. Any emergencies, tape, I'm gonna go through, but I just wanted to kind of show you the three little bags that I use. Okay, first word of advice, keep it simple, keep it clean, and keep it to what you really use. I have a wet brush because I can use it when it's wet, when it's dry, and it doesn't damage. I have, I don't even have to look at this, I know, triple sec dry shampoo in the small bottles. I have this product, the Bioderma. This is the water that basically takes everything off. So all your makeup, just in one, all you need is a cotton pad. It's super easy and it takes off even mascara. I have deodorant. I have little scrunchy ties that do not mark your hair, which is really, really great when you're washing your face, when your hair is up in a ponytail, a little bun. It's an oldie but a goodie, but I travel with Weleda because this is like a really awesome neutral cream that you can use on your cuticles, you can use on your hands, on your feet. And again, it's called skin food. So you can really, it's really multi-purpose and I really love it. And it's also great mixed in with a little makeup, which I've done a little video on about that. This is because I have eyelash extensions, so I use this company. It's called Eyelash Care and I love it. It's a pre and post makeup remover for lashes that are not yours. And then I have everything small. So I love me some Barber Serum. This is my cleanser. And then I take little things like this. Eye cream. I'll take my anti-aging body cream. I'll take face cream. And then I'll have my little things that I love as well. My hyaluronic acid, which is my serum. Then I'll have my anti-pollution drops. And then I have my calming serum. I love these three, the pollution, the hyaluronic, and the anti-aging serum, and I love how they come in small little doses. I take a bigger one, the glow drops, because I use them all the time. I use them every day, but these little things are easy to pack, they're light, and they make me use them. Little eyelash comb for my little eyelash extensions. I am obsessed with this company and I'm obsessed with this product. This is a great neutral oil. It's called the Virgin Marula Luxury Facial Oil by Drunken Elephant. Go on my YouTube channel. I talk about this product all the time. It's awesome. Just get it. It's incredible. And then I have Power Spot. So if I do get that acne, I do get a little bit of cystic acne still. This is great. It's overnight spot. It's salicylic acid and it is the bomb. And I always travel with it because you think you're not gonna break out, but then you do, and then you have something. And then I do the little face masks. I'll have the gold, I take the Wonder, the gold eye masks. And then I love Rhodiol, which is great. This is a pink diamond lifting face mask, and it's great for lifting and illuminating. And I love the little packages. Joanna Vargas, I also love, she's New York and LA facialist. And this is a brightening and firm mask that is really hydrating as well. But again, everything is small, everything is compact. So you can see I don't bring really big things unless like I'm going for a really long time. And then again, I pack it small because you're not gonna go through everything. But these are things that I definitely use. And sometimes I will actually leave this bag pre-packed. So when we were prepping for this video, it was kind of already done for me. I just leave the little samples and I use my big stuff that I have in my bathroom. So this is my second bag and I love this. This is all things that I might need. A little bit of like emergency. I get this Baraka when I'm in Europe. It's a great, awesome magnesium and B and C. And I just love it. It's fizzy, it tastes really great, and I really feel like it gives me energy. I take liquid iron called Floridax sometimes when I'm feeling just like low energy and I feel like I'm trying to eat less meat, so it really helps me feel better. And then I have all types of Advil. I have a power pack, which is really good for electrolytes in case I'm sweating. I love me, as we know, some 8 greens. We guys got to meet Dawn Russell. We did an awesome YouTube video with her, and this is 8 greens. It's spinach, wheatgrass, kale, blue, green, algae, spirulina, chlorella, barley grass, and aloe vera, all in one. And again, all small amounts. This is another called Noon. It's immunity, hydration. Just things when I'm on the go, I have them. I don't have to find a pharmacy. I don't have to find a drugstore. And then I have a little Bayer chewable aspirin I take when I fly, an 81 milligram. But this is a great little kit. And again, I leave this packed so I have it and it's ready to go. Because I'm always kind of going and coming, but I love it. And don't forget, these things are actually really important as well. And if you travel with kids, we have a first aid kit as well, but this is something that I just travel with. So this little kit, it's something that I can see, I can grab really quickly. I'm just gonna show you what I have in there. My stylist, Sonia Christensen, packed this for me. It has a little commando black thong that I keep ready to go. It has needle and thread because you're gonna need one. I have little simple nipple covers. And then I have like the little top stick for like blouses, hemming, and then I always have safety pins, and I have them in black and silver, which is really, really important. You say black, but I'm telling you, you're automatically eye goes to the silver one. But these are great. These are like something that I have always. It's pre-packed. It goes into my kit. Things like this are really important to have. It saves a lot of time. You're very organized. Some things I don't do. I don't pack products in my bags that I'm traveling with that I've never used. I take the same system normally that I use on a day-to-day basis. I'm much more likely to try a product at home than I am on the road because it's just gonna sit there. You're like, why am I using it? Pack small. That's a really good tip. Pack really small. And you know, when you're at Bloomingdale's or Nordstrom's, when you get that little free gift every now and then of something that you love, take those containers and throw them in one bag. I promise you, you'll actually use them. And I think another tip is great is that take everything out of the box, because the boxes are what make things take up so much space. Like a lot of times, hotels and places will have cotton pads and they'll have Q-tips. So things you don't necessarily need to take, don't take. But if you need them, take them because you'll have them. But take everything out of the box. Like we do like little Floridax. It's already out of the box. And I only take what I need. So I can sometimes have little plastic bags of these, like 3. When I'm done, I throw them away. It can be daunting when you're packing. Packing somehow it gets so stressful. The one thing I've learned also from a stylist is pack what you need and don't pack anymore, and label everything. So if you're going on a trip for 3 days and you need 2 dresses, go ahead and pre-pack the dresses. You could put your panties or whatever, or your tights or whatever you need all together in one. So it's almost like you're almost unpacked before you even unpack it, because it's all set to go once you get there. And it really saves a lot of time and money when you're traveling for a conference, even vacation. Traveling can be stressful. For me, it's really stressful, especially traveling with my tribe of 5. If you guys have any products or how you lay your products out, how you pack a toiletry bag or a travel bag, let me know. I love to hear from you guys. Subscribe, comment below, let me know. I hope you guys are having an awesome summer, and I hope you guys are traveling in style.